Welcome to my online application, the online chat room. So let's begin with the purpose first. It is to provide a platform for users to chat online, and the design pattern of the application is MVC, Model View Controller. So let's go into detail about code structure. First of all, let's take a look at app.js, which is the starter or entrance of the application. And let's move on to the routers, which can be used to determine how an application responds to a client request to a particular endpoint. For example, if we request the URL logout, the function logout in the user controller will handle this request. And about controllers, we use controllers to handle the request from client and make a response. For models, we use models to communicate with database, and also I defined object message here, and I defined object user here. As for views, they are responsible for the user interface. And speaking of technologies used in this application, I use like Express.js as backend framework. And as for front-end framework, I use the PUG, these files, as the template engine to render user interface. And I also use Bootstrap as the CSS framework, jQuery as the JavaScript framework, and I also imported socket.io to build the socket channel, the socket connection between the client and server. So let's start the application and take a look at it. First, input the URL. This is the home page. So let's register first. Let's input a username, user C, password. Let's input a simple password. Click register button. Okay. If we register successfully, we will just log into the chat room directly. Okay. Let's try to open another browser and register with the same username, user C, password. In this time, we will fail because we use the existing username and we will get such a prompt message. This username has existed, so we need to try again. And D. Okay, register success. We enter the chat room directly, and each time a user enters the chat room, he will receive all the previous messages, and all the messages will be displayed on the chatting panel here. So let's try to send a message. Hi, hi, haha. So all the users in the chat room will receive the message simultaneously. That's it. And we try to send a message with user D. Hello. And that's it. If you want to leave the chat room, you can just simply click the logout button here. So you will be directed to the home page, and you can choose to sign up or sign in again. If we choose to sign in again, we will receive the old messages here. That's it. Thanks for watching.